Hi, this is Rockin' Robin. This time we're here telling you about a great park at 3443 Southeast St. Lucie Boulevard, Stuart, Florida. Sandsprit Park is found near the entrance to the Manatee Pocket. You can make this spot a trip for a few hours or all day if you like. It is a nice walk with your dog as the view near the water is outstanding. There is a boat ramp at Sandsprit, which is one of the busiest in the area as it offers the closest access to the St. Lucie Inlet. For easiest access to the ramp and parking, launch your boat before 8 a.m. The park has approximately 100 trailer parking spaces with 24-hour access 7 days a week. Facility reservations and rental information are available from the Martin County Parks and Recreation Department. To reserve a facility for your next special event, call 772-288-5690. Once again, it's 772-288-5690. This park also offers a beautiful boardwalk that goes around the park, allowing fishing, walking, running, biking, and more. There is a playground for children and a workout area with various types of exercise. There are flushable toilets if you plan on making a barbecue and having a family cookout. You won't have to travel to visit a decent bathroom as it is situated in the center of the park. There are many benches to sit and watch all the happenings at this park. You can view the beautiful mansions across the water and their yachts and maybe do a little dreaming. Kids, adults, and dogs love this park, and I'm sure you will too. Expect to see a lot of fishermen on the docks and the boardwalks. Some of them may even catch a few interesting fish. Sandsprit Park is a great place to visit if you are in or around Stuart, as you can enjoy the beauty of Martin County, the waterways, and many recreational activities. It is free and there is a Coast Guard station there. The park is open from dusk to dawn. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it and want to learn more about the Martin County and many other areas of Florida, please subscribe to Rockin' Robin 103. There should be a red link below that says subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button. Thanks again for watching, and tell all your friends.